Imagine this. You are a recruiter and you have a job opening at your company and you have hundreds of potential candidates to call and follow up with. You are doing this manually. But what if I told you that you can entirely automate the whole process with a single automation? Well, that's exactly what we have did here with this recruitment automation and growth stacks. We have created a voice agent that is designed to create outbound calls to the list of candidates created by the consultant and stored inside the CRM. These candidates can receive a call and their details are collected instantly response and logged into the CRM. This voice agent analyzes if they're interested in the role or not, asks the basic questions, and these details are then forwarded to the consultant. But it doesn't just stop there. If a candidate misses the call, the system automatically sends them an SMS, and in an SMS, it asks them to call back and can also conversate through the candidate through an SMS bot. If they request a callback, the system can also initiate a callback immediately to the candidate. This system ensures that the process of following up is efficient and saving recruiters a lot of their valuable time. Now, let's jump onto the Bullhorn screen to see where it all begins. So this is the Bullhorn screen that we have here. Inside this, we have candidates, we have tear sheets, and we also have jobs. So I'll open this one by one. In the jobs, you can see the IDs, the date they were added, the job titles, the client company, and description and everything. So this description is the basic field that we are using and the custom fields to create calls to the candidates based on which we analyze the candidate is interested or not in the job. And in the candidates sheet, we have all the candidates and the records, their name, mobile number, the status, the date available, the last, and everything. We also have an email associated with the candidate. We also have tear sheets. Inside the tear sheets, a job consultant can come here and create an tear sheet that they want to create an outbound calls to. A tear sheet is just a list of candidates which we have to create an outbound call. Suppose in this candidate sheet, one candidate. So the number of candidates will be receiving a call would be 1. And that's it for the entire Bullhorn menu. And in the candidates, we have a notes section. So if I open a candidate, so I have the whole summary, the status. In the notes section, we have the notes here. So every detail about this client is also stored in the notes inside. That the status is called or not answered, and the status and the summary and the transcript. Let's break the system down inside the make scenario. So now let's switch to the make scenarios that actually are the backend of this whole system. So this is the first scenario that we have created inside make.com, which has a custom webhook or the mail hook in the trigger. So whenever a job consult in this particular email, this mail hook is triggered and it contains the job ID and the tear sheet name from which we can get the candidates inside the tear sheet and create an outbound call to them. The voice agent that we are using is built on, and that voice agent has a conversation with the candidate and analyzes the interest in the job or not. The voice agent has the capacity and the capabilities to build a conversation flow on the basis of a job description that is fetched from the Bullhorn API and candidate's phone number from the Bullhorn candidates database. Now, coming to our second scenario, this is the end of call report that when the user has ended the call or the agent has ended the call, this particular scenario is triggered. It then decides if it's an outbound or an inbound call and routes it differently. Then, on the basis of analysis of the call, the agent then decides if the lead or the candidate was interested or not by ChatGPT module, and then it creates an email to the consultant with the call recording, call summary, and the job description, everything in a neatly HTML created email. Suppose if the candidate has missed the call and not answered, that means they have either reached voicemail or their number was busy. Then we update the note in the CRM as not answered and then create an SMS to the candidate saying that we tried calling you and you can call us back at this particular number. And this is all what scenario 2 does. Now, coming back to our scenario 3, after the candidate has received an SMS that we tried calling you, they can reply it with anything. So we have created an SMS bot that is also powered by Retail, that is the main source of our voice agent. We have created a chatbot that has the whole conversation regarding the job and the questions regarding the job with the candidate. Candidate can request for a callback and get immediate callbacks from this scenario and also ask any questions about the job. And this bot is perfectly capable for answering all of those questions with regarding to the database that we have given it. And in the last scenario, this is the scenario 4. And in this scenario, we have the first module as get inbound call. So in the Retail, we have a number and I'll just show that to you in just a second. So as you can see, This is my retail AI dashboard. And in this, I have multiple agents that I have created for this particular client. And we have the phone number section. And inside this, we have integrated a lot of phone number. And we have enabled a webhook inside this agent. And this is the number that you can call. And then this traffic will be directed to this webhook. So any candidate that is calling will be generated and directed to this webhook. And then after that, they will be assigned to the particular resourcer or the applicant agent. And then the inbound call will happen with the given job description and the company name as variables passed to the agent so that it can continue the conversation with the candidate. And then after this, it again goes back to scenario 2 where the end of call report takes place and it goes down to the second route, that is the inbound call route. And then we can analyze person was interested or not. Like here, filter interested candidates and then send out an email to the consultant. So this is the whole working of the recruitment agency for the client. We have built this. We can build it similar and customize it as per your business needs. This system is designed to help recruitment teams automate their candidate follow-up and calling process and also managing their data inside the CRM. At GrowStacks, we help in building solutions that are very, very relatable to your business needs. We can customize this whole process and even add variables that you want in your business and help you build an automation that is perfect for your business. If you like this automation, you can reach out to us to discuss how we can build a solution for your use case. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.